Hello people of YouTube. A friend of mine asked me how to solve one of these. So I've written a walkthrough. I want to run through it, and I figured I might as well do it on here, see if it all works, and if it works, it is dead simple. And there's not much to remember. Hopefully it's nice and easy to do, so we'll follow it through. I'll do it step by step, and hopefully this will get you started. This isn't any professional quick way how to do it or any super methods that are unknown. Everything's dead simple, everything's dead basic, good jumping off point in the professional novice. So let's get into it. I'll try and adjust my camera, see if we can film this from my perspective. It's going to be a great challenge trying to figure that out, but let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to make the white cross. Now we have got two pieces there, but that's in the wrong place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off the top there. Now if we turn it up there, it's going to be the wrong way around. But if we take it over to the other side and do it, then it's the right way up. Now to make the white cross, it is pretty straightforward. There's nothing too difficult about that. Hopefully you should all be able to crack that. Although this one, as it says, if I put it in place, it's the wrong way. So we'll put the algorithm, it's in the right place. On this it says we need it in the upper front middle. And then, okay, so I've got this one as my front here. I'm going to go front, right goes anti-clockwise, down is anti-clockwise, right clockwise, and then the front goes twice. It's now the right way up. Banging. Got to sort this camera angle, hope everyone caught that, but basically, it works. But now I've got to get this one round to there. The easiest way to do it is going to be to bring the top to there, turn that up, and then move the top back to where it should be. So we've now got the white cross. So, okay, yeah, we've got steps working. Shouldn't be too much difficulty there. Now we've got corners. Okay, so we're on page 2. For some reason my computer's jumped to page 4. So let's scroll back up to the first 4 corners. Okay, so whatever we need is going into the upper front right. So that's going to land right here. This is the one we're concentrating on. So for where we are, I need white, orange and green. White, orange, green. And that piece is here in this corner. So we'll switch to that one and take it out. Might as well see if we've got white, green and red to put in there. And that's here, so we'll put that underneath where white, green and red goes. And it says if white's on the down face. Now, it's got the combinations on there which we'll take you through. But regardless of that, I'm just going to stick with the front, down, front. Just using one of them, front, down, front. So, front, down, and then it's anti-clockwise. So it's in position, but it's in the wrong orientation. Needs rotating again. Front, down, front. I'm going to put it back in place. Front, down, front. So all you've got to remember to get the piece in the corner in the right position is front, down, front. Or front, down, front prime, as they say in the cubing world, which means anti-clockwise. So that's that corner done. And we've got the orange and green out now. So let's put that into place. On that side, it says front down front, or there's right down right. I'm going to try to do it again, front down front. Front down front, wrong way around. Front down front, put it in place. Front down front. Let's move it out of the way. Front, oops, no, hang on, we need to put that back first before we do any more. Put it back in place and front, down, front. Can't work a camera, but he's figured out 3 moves to solve a corner on a Rubik's Cube. Blue, orange, white. Blue, orange, white. Into position. It's the wrong way around. I'm going to do, now it's right anti-clockwise, down anti-clockwise, right clockwise. It's the exact same as front, down, front, but mirrored from the opposite corner. So instead of working from this side and the top, you're working from this side and the top. Front down front will work. Basically, one's rotating one way, one's rotating the other. So instead of going one way, you can go two the other. Or do the one move and cut it all out. But this is stick it to simple. So front, down, front works once you've got them corners in place. Last corner. That's not going to fly, so I'm going to put it straight past. And then bring it back, in front, down, front. And it's in. That's the first layer done. Okay, so along with the instructions, as you can see them down below, we'll be here soon, following through all the steps. Hope today's weren't too difficult for you. Nice and simple to follow. We can go through, get it solved, get it memorised. The easiest way to solve a Rubik's Cube for the professional novice. See you in the next step. Laters.